Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now before we get started with my review of Motivational Videos 2024, I invite you to work with my internet coaches so that they can help you build an online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished million-dollar coaches in their own right. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to my review of Motivational Videos 2024. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 is all about affiliate marketing business made easy. It shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates. It includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. Bonus number 3 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver it to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. Bonus number 4 will show you how to create a passive income. And this is a crucial element, folks. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 will show you how to supercharge the results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 a day while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Let's get on with the review. Now, those behind Motivational Videos 2024 are 2 very accomplished internet creators and vendors. Now, the looks may be deceiving, and they are not bandits. They are Luann Henrique and Trevor Carr, both very accomplished people. I have purchased many products from Luann and Trevor and can personally vouch for this product. In a nutshell, Motivational Videos 2024 is a collection of 50 unique motivational videos with full PLR rights. Now, here's a lot of things you can do with this product. You can access 15 unique motivational videos. They are motivational videos that you can use to generate traffic, get YouTube views, or sell for huge profits. They are horizontal videos and perfectly fit YouTube or any other video platform. And these videos come with full private label rights and done-for-you thumbnail images, which is a real good plus. And the videos have been created from scratch, and they're about 2 to 5 minute long in duration, and much more. You can find more of this on the sales page. Now here's a sample of one of the videos.
Life is full of challenges, obstacles, and setbacks. There will be times when you feel like giving up, when the road ahead seems too long, too difficult, too daunting. But here's the thing. Quitting is not an option. When you're tempted to throw in the towel, remember why you started. Remember the dreams that fuel your ambition, the goals that light a fire in your soul. Remember the people who believe in you, who support you, who are cheering you on every step of the way. But most importantly, remember this. Every setback is an opportunity for growth. Every failure is a lesson learned. Every obstacle you overcome makes you stronger, more resilient, more capable of achieving your dreams. So when you feel like quitting, dig deep. Find that inner strength, that determination, that unwavering belief in yourself and your abilities. And keep going. Because here's the truth. The only way to fail is to quit. As long as you keep pushing forward, as long as you refuse to give up, you're still in the game. And who knows what you might achieve if you just keep going. So, no matter how tough things get, no matter how many times you stumble and fall, never quit. Keep fighting, keep believing, keep moving forward. Because the moment you decide to quit could be the moment right before your breakthrough. Never quit. Keep pushing forward, keep believing in yourself, and keep working towards your dreams. With determination, resilience, and a refusal to give up, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve anything you set your mind to. So, keep going. Your success story is waiting to be written. Embrace the challenges, for they shape your journey towards success. Stay unwavering in your pursuit, and your triumphs will become your legacy. Your success story.
Now, the front end is extremely simple. You get 50 video packages for one low price of $9.95. And OTO1 through OTO5 provides more motivational videos. Each is a great buy in their own right. Now watch for the downsells, because you may receive a lower price or perhaps a different product. So if you need to know more, click that second link and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And I cannot recommend this enough, folks. Many of us are making monthly income with this particular product. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain recurring income online easily, how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while spending only 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct affiliate marketing easily, including a resource file. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.